Welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, and today I am doing some of my weekly meal prep, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about dried beans. Some of us maybe are a little bit intimidated by it, usually use canned beans. However, using canned beans, the cost is a little bit higher. So you can buy the packages of beans, and I want to show you how to use them and how easy they are. So here I have 2 cups of black beans, and I've rinsed, and you need to sort them. Now, why would I sort them? They all look alike. Well, you're looking for these little bits and pieces. So we're just going to get those out first. So this hasn't even used a full package. So again, if you're looking for ways to save a little bit in the kitchen, this is a great place to start. You just have to plan ahead. And that's all. I think that's the big thing of saving money is planning a little bit. So for now, all I am going to do, I'm going to do this the long way, I suppose, because I have other things going on. And I'm just going to let this soak overnight, or a minimum of 8 hours. So if you do start this in the morning, that's fine. But I'm going to put, I've got about 4 cups of water. So I'm just going to cover this, set it aside. If I have a little time later, I will do the next step. Otherwise, I'll check back with you tomorrow and show you how easy it is to get a nice bit of beans ready for your week. So I have actually let my beans soak for overnight. Again, the minimum for this longer soak is 8 hours, but it's something that you can kind of have ready to go whenever you have time. The beans still, I'll show you, are very, very hard, but they kind of have hydrated up a little bit. So I added 2 more cups of water, and I'm just going to bring this to a boil and then simmer and cover for about an hour. So I will check back with you in a bit. I wish you could smell these beans cooking. It's just fantastic throughout the house, particularly if you like beans. It has been an hour. They have been simmering. I am just going to take that off heat. Before I do, I always just want to check and make sure that it's the consistency that I want, that it's no longer hard and a little hot. But yeah, it has just the right, it's still a little bit firm so that when I add it and cook it in some other applications this week, it'll be just great. So this is about a pound or 2 cups of dried. It makes a total of 6 cups of cooked beans. So this is a great time saver. I'm going to plan on making soup and some rice and beans this week, and that'll use this all up. Super healthy, super nutritious, delicious, and pleases the whole family. So thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle, and I hope that this can help you save a little money and time in the kitchen. Take care.